Tracing dreams that I can't take. Every whisper soft and true feels like echoes, echoes of you. The lights reflect on empty streets. Time dissolves where silence meets. Your voice still lingers in the air. I turn around, but you're not there. I still feel you in the sound, where the rhythm pulls me down. The heart of me, distance hides what once we knew. I still exist in the echo of you. I close my eyes and drift away. Your voice returns, it wants to stay. Across the sky, in the echoes of you, I survive. Love's refrain will keep alive. Every dream, every view drifts in time. Echoes of you. The night fades out, but not the truth. I'll always breathe the echoes of you. Beneath the trees, the air is clear. The sound of peace is all I hear. The sunlight falls through emerald leaves. The forest hums, my heart believes. The ground is soft, the wind is kind. I leave the noise so far behind. Each step becomes a quiet tune beneath the gaze of silver moon. The stars fall soft through open skies, like echoes where my spirit flies. The leaves are whispering through the night, their song of hope, their song of light. I close my eyes and drift within the sound of nature on my skin. The world feels still, the wind is low. I lose myself in nature's glow. Silent grove, take me in, wash away where I have been. Every breath a soft release, every sound a sign of peace. Silent grove, pure and deep, cradle me until I sleep. Every heart that's lost its way finds new light where shadows play. No words remain, no fear to show, just rivers wide and trees that grow. The earth remembers every tone it sings to those who walk alone. Silent grove, I'm home again, where time stands still, where hearts can mend. Every whisper, every sigh carries peace beneath the sky. Silent grove, soft and kind, I leave the noise of life behind. Every sound, each leaf that falls reminds me I belong to all. The trees stand tall, the stars approve. I fade away in silent grove. The night is still, the stars are white. I feel the world from deep inside. My shadow fades beneath the rain, but in my chest I breathe again. The air is cold, the lights are dim. My thoughts are quiet, calm and thin. I close my eyes, I feel the hum, the sound of where I've come undone. And every silence has a sound, a pulse that shakes the solid ground. In the silent pulse, I'm alive. Through the dark, I still survive. Every breath a steady flame, calling softly out my name. In the silent pulse, I belong. In the quiet, I am strong. Every wave beneath my skin beats the life I hold within. days the night consumes, echoes hum in empty rooms. My heart becomes a distant sound, a rhythm lost but never found. The moonlight paints the air so thin, I lose myself and breathe again. I find my peace, I find my place. Between the beats I find your trace. And in the dark I understand. The quiet speaks, it takes my hand. In the silent pulse I'm alive. Through the dark I still survive. Every breath a steady flame, calling softly out my name. In the silent pulse I belong. In the quiet I am strong. Every wave beneath my skin beats the life I hold within. The soundless wind, the empty air still remind me you were there. Every silence holds your tune, like faded light beneath the moon. In the silent pulse I'm alive, where lost dreams still survive. Every beat both soft and true pulls me closer back to you. In the silent pulse I remain, through the stillness, through the rain. Every wave beneath my skin whispers peace from deep within. The sound is gone, but I still hear the pulse of life that keeps me near. In every hush, in every low, I find my soul. The silent pull. The silent pull. The sky is calm, the world asleep. I hear the ocean breathe so deep. Every wave, a gentle tone, reminds me I'm not alone. The stars align, the night expands. I feel the time slip through my hands. Between the dark, the light begins. A quiet space where peace begins. I lose my fear, I lose control. The still horizon calls my soul. On the still horizon's line, I find a truth that once was mine. Every silence, every hue reflects the calm inside of you. Floating slow, I disappear. No more noise, no more fear. Through the light fade to gray. The night becomes my only way. The breeze carries words unspoken, healing hearts that once were broken. Every breath I take feels new. The sky unfolds a deeper view. My mind is clear, my heart is free. The still horizon comforts me. On the still horizon's line, I find a truth that once was mine. Every silence, every hue reflects the calm inside of you. Floating slow, I disappear. No more noise, no more fear. Through the light, the waves alive, I drift beyond the edge of time. The world stands still, my soul unwinds. I leave the weight of life behind. Every color turns to sound as peace and rhythm boast around. On the still horizon's line, hearts like oceans intertwine. Every tear a spark of grace, lost in this eternal space. Floating slow, I disappear. The quiet song I long to hear. Through the night, through the sun, I drift beyond the edge of time. The stars will fade, the sea will glow. I'll meet myself where I let go. In silence pure, my heart will find peace along the still horizon. The night is gone, gets its name. Golden rise, take me home, where I'm free, where I've grown. Every light across the sea reflects the hope inside of me. Golden rise, pure and true. Every dream is born anew. Through the calm and through the sky, I'll keep shining. Golden rise. The world is warm, my soul complies. I breathe again beneath golden skies. The skyline glows, the day's undone, the city hums, the stars have won. I see reflections in the glass of dreams we built that came to pass. The air is gold, the light is clear, the night is soft, the truth is near. In every spark that fades apart, I hear the beat of my skyline heart, and I can feel it pulling me through the sound of destiny. My skyline heart, it shines for you, through the dark and through the blue. Every light, every spark guides me home through the dark. My skyline heart, it won't decay. It finds the calm in night's display. Every rhythm, every part breathes in you. My skyline heart. The wind is warm, the streets are white. I chase the glow, I don't hide. The city moves, but I stand still beneath the stars. I feel the thrill. Every shadow softly sways. The echoes hum our yesterdays. The world's alive, the sky's awake. The moment's ours to recreate. Every dream begins to start in the glow of my skyline heart. My skyline heart, it shines for you, through the dark and through the blue. Every light, every spark guides me home through the dark. My skyline heart, it won't decay. It finds the calm in a night's display. Every rhythm, thoughts dissolve beneath the glow, where endless skies begin to flow. I close my eyes, the world turns blue. The stars align and lead me through. I feel the calm, I feel the shift. I fade away in aurora drift. In the aurora drift, I'm free, floating through infinity. Every color is soft and wild, feels like earth and heaven smile. In the aurora drift, I stay. All my fears just fade away. Every breath becomes a gift as I fall into the drift. The lights above, they start to sing a melody on trembling wings. The night becomes a glowing sea, and every wave belongs to me. The wind recalls forgotten names, a fleeting love and burning flames. Yet in the glow I understand, I'm held in peace by unseen hands. I lose the way, I lose the pain. The drift is soft, it calls my name. In the aurora drift, I'm free, floating through infinity. Every color is soft and wild, feels like earth and heaven smile. In the aurora drift, I stay. All my fears just fade away. Every breath becomes a gift as I fall into the drift. The light moves slow, it touches me. The sky becomes a melody. I hear the pulse of something real, the peace the universe can feel. Drift away, drift away, drift away. In the aurora drift, I'm whole. Every spark becomes my soul. Every shade of red and blue carries me away to you. In the aurora drift, I stay. Love and silence light the way. Every breath, every gift, live forever. The colors fade, but I remain peaceful now beyond the rain. In the quiet, I still live through the stars. In aurora drift. face the sound. I lose my will. The city fades, the noise is gone, but my heart keeps moving on. Reflections on the empty glass remind me how the moments pass. I see your shadow soft and white. It disappears with morning's tide. The world turns quiet, soft and slight beneath the glow of fading light. Fading lights don't go away. Keep the dark and doubt at bay. Every heartbeat, every sigh burns beneath the silent sky. Fading lights, I see you still, shining softly on the hill. Every echo, every tone feels like I'm not all alone. I walk these streets I used to know. The night moves fast, the stars move slow. The neon hums, the shadows gleam. It feels like fragments of a dream. The past returns, the air is sweet with memories that softly meet. The sound of peace, the scent of rain brings me home to you again. The night reminds, though time has flown, that love can live in undertones. Fading lights don't go away. Keep the dark and doubt at bay. Every heartbeat, every sigh burns beneath the silent sky. Fading lights, I see you still, shining softly on the hill. Every echo, every tone feels like I'm not all alone. I still hear your voice in rain, calling softly through the pain. Every shimmer, every spark carries warmth into the dark. Fading lights don't fade too fast. Hold this moment, let it last. Every dream we left behind still remains within my mind. Fading lights, I feel you near. Your glow still whispers in my ear. Every echo, every tone leads me back to where I've grown. The night moves on, the stars ignite, but I still shine in fading